There's honeysuckle, there's citrus blossom, things like that. In terms of the herbal department, there's some very light lemongrass verbena happening, but herbs are not an important part of this wine. What is there, though, is lees contact. Okay. So there is, it actually smells like Pilsner. In fact, it smells like the empty glass of Pilsner. So there's lees contact here. There's also some pretty pronounced stony type minerality here happening. And then the final thing I check on white wine is there oak? The answer is no. There's no oak here whatsoever. And if I'm having an oak existential crisis, here's my trick for that. I literally put up the label of a California Chardonnay that's really oaky, like Rombauer. And I ask myself yes or no. And the answer here is no. No oak whatsoever. Go ahead and taste it, please. That tastes really good. It's like an adult sweet tart.